Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had a wonderful weekend with your families. And I want to do just a little bit of warm up with some number cards. So what I'm going to do is I've got the cards and I'm going to draw two side by side, and we're going to talk about which value or which card is worth more and which card has less. And we're going to talk about how we know this. So on this side I've got 18, and on this side I've got 10. Which has more and which has less? Well, I know if I'm thinking about the number 10 and I'm thinking about it with my 10 frames, I know that for this number, my 10 frame is full, right? And I know when I think about 18, that this is actually a 10 and more number that we've studied, which means it's got 10, but it's also got some more, 8 more actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 only has one 10 frame, and we see that in the number. We see the 110 and 0 ones. But in 18, we see the 10 and the 8. So because they both have a 10, that's the same about them. But this number also has an 8, and that's more than the 10. So we say that it is greater than. Now I want to show you a symbol. When I compare numbers, I can use a greater than symbol. If the number, I'm going to put G for greater than. If the number is bigger, I can use the less than symbol. If the number is smaller. And because I'm talking about 18, I'm going to read the left to right. 18 is what compared to 10? It will help me. Do you see how the greater than symbol has the 2 points here on the left-hand side? And the less than symbol only has 1. I'm going to put 2 dots by the greater number and 1 dot by the smaller number. And that is going to help me remember that how to draw my symbol, the correct symbol. This is the greater than symbol. And so it reads 18 is greater than 10. Very good. Let's do some more. I'm going to leave those symbols up there for us. And let's draw 2 more cards. Oh, very close. We have 31 and 32. Now, I could draw 31 and 32 with our 10 frames, and I know that we've done that. But remember, when we've counted our numbers and we think about writing them, we think 3 tens 2, 3 tens 1, right? Now remember that I can use place value blocks to also represent my numbers. I know that you've been doing that with your teachers in first grade. And so if I were going to draw 32, I could use my 10 frames, which would be 3 10 frames, and then 2 more. But I can also use a 10 stick. So there's 1 10 stick, 2 10 sticks, which are 20, 3 10 sticks, which are 30, and then 2 more. So it looks like that. I want you to look at this number that we drew with the 10 sticks and the little ones. So I've got 31, 32, and how it's very similar to using the 10 frames. So there's 1 10 frame. There's 2 10 frames. There's 3 10 frames. Oh, and I have to draw a really tiny one at the bottom. and one more because I've got 2. So there's 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So 3 10 frames, just like 3 10 sticks, and 2 more, and 2 more. Because the 10 sticks are a little bit easier to draw, we're going to use the 10 sticks. 31 also has 3 10s. So there's 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, and 1 more. So how do we compare? Well, they both have 3 10 sticks, but this one only has 1, and this one has 2. So this one is less than. So I'm going to put the 1 dot here and the 2 dots by that number, and it will help me make my less than symbol. Very good job. Now we've got 50 and 40. Let's draw those numbers. So 50 is going to be 5 10s and nothing else, right? Just 5 10s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 40 is 4 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. What is 50 compared to 40? Well, they both have 10 sticks, but 50 has 5 10s, and 40 only has 4 10s. So 50 is greater than 40. All right. You're doing a very good job. I think we've only got, well, we've got a few more cards. 44 and 23. So 44 is 4 10s, 4. So 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 23 is 2 10s, 3. 1, 2 10s, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to compare them. What is 44 compared to 23? Well, I can see that 44 has 4 10s and 23 has 2 10s. So since it has more 10s, 44 is greater than the 23. Excellent job, boys and girls. Tomorrow, I am going to model how to use our numbers and some place value cards, and we're going to do some matching. I hope you have a very great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.